So please announce the next award.
This is a special appreciation winner for excellence in manufacturing of wagons and containers. Texmaco Rail and Engineering.
Companies involved in the manufacturing of rolling stock such as wagons, coaches, EMUs, loco shells and parts, etc. Hydromechanical equipment, steel castings, rail EPC, bridges and other steel structure. Over the years, the company has entered into technical collaboration with renowned multinationals of Japan, USA, UK, Germany, Australia, Austria, Holland, etc. for developing and expanding its product portfolio.
Thank you, Rail Analysis, for this award. Texmaco has been the largest manufacturer of wagons for the last 8 decades, and we have made more than 150,000 wagons of almost all types in these years. Thank you very much.